So you tell when you are buying, you be more careful though you can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner.
Hey KK squad, welcome back to my channel. These are the products that I'll be using to mix this clay. Here's the clay, the Health and Beauty Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. Also my apple cider vinegar by the Bragg brand. Here in this applicator bottle I have my olive oil and also my Jamaican black castor oil. Back there my Africa's Best herbal oil. So in the directions it tells you use a non-metal bowl, whatever you call it, and utensil. No, my accent's strong. So this thing right here, I have this plastic bowl and a plastic spoon. I was watching this YouTuber's review on this clay and she said that the clay is greatly to absorb metal. So whatever it's gonna do to metal, I'm not gonna chance that. So I just get my plastic bowl and plastic spoon. I took out all my earrings. I'm not wearing any necklace. No metal. Clay. I'm gonna do like 3 spoons first to see. The apple cider vinegar, not too much, just a tad bit. Use my, oh, you see that? Alright, just a little bit more. Oh, I think I put too much. Okay, this is making me nervous. So I'm gonna add my olive oil. Then I'm gonna add my Jamaican black castor oil. Alright, gonna stir it up. Gosh, this is messy. Listen, I'm just trying something over here. Don't judge me, but I'm gonna be adding water. Can't even see. Recording while doing this. Alright. Alright. Add some water and then I'm gonna stir. I'm sorry guys, this is a little messy, but yeah, this is it. This is how it's looking. You can add more water if you want, but I want it to be thick, really thick. So I didn't bother to add the Africa's Best Ultimate Herbal Oil. I only used the Jamaican black castor oil with the olive oil and also the apple cider vinegar mixed with the clay, and I added a little water. That's it. My goodness, it's thick. I don't think I want to add any more water. So I just took out my passion twist. I decided to use this clay on dirty hair. This clay is to cleanse your hair, cleanse your scalp, pull out all the dirt, all the product buildup, all of that. Also the apple cider vinegar, it kind of strip your hair. I don't want to chance it, but if you maybe, don't quote me on this, maybe, but if you use it on clean hair, your hair is already clean, and then you use the apple cider vinegar, it's gonna like strip your hair more. So I think the best time to use it is when your hair is dirty. You want to reboot your hair, get that extra clean, that deep clean. This is the clean. My hair doesn't get defined without products in it, so I'm trying to see if this clay will give me a little definition without any products after washing it out. We're gonna see all of that. Let's get right into the video. I'll be applying the clay to my hair in 4 sections. Honestly, my first time using it, I'm kind of nervous, but at the same time I'm excited. Also, it's best to apply the clay on wet hair. By the way, you don't want to comb your hair out with this product in your hair, so it's best to detangle your hair before applying this clay. Tell me why I wore a white shirt while doing this. Clay all over my shirt, girl. Listen, us natural girls gotta get messy sometimes just to take care of our hair, right? The more I do this, the more I realize that water actually activates it more. Alright, so this is my hair after applying the clay. As you can see, I will not comb my hair out with this clay in it, but it's already starting to define my curls a little, I guess. I don't know. Just make sure you get it everywhere on every hair strand. Make sure it's applied from the root straight to the ends. I'm just gonna put a plastic cap over it to make the process a little faster. This is how it's looking after 20 minutes. Stiff like board. It's not that bad, but it's yeah. Alright, so this is my hair right after washing it out. Oh my goodness, I feel like I'm drowning. Whew. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I see it. Woo. It's not a lot, but it's not a lot of definition. But listen, my hair is kind of hard to define. I don't know why. Let me dry it. Let me get some of the water out. I see a little in the front. That's my result. I rinse my hair out with warm water. I'll be using a conditioner after, and then I'm gonna rinse the conditioner out with cool water to lock the moisture in my hair and to close the cuticles. But because I wanted to show you guys right after washing it out what my hair looks like, so yeah, this is before the conditioner. I'm seeing definition. Like, I don't wash my hair and just see like curls like this. So it worked for me. It worked. I don't know how it looked. I feel like on camera it's just not showing on camera. I don't know why. By the way, guys, my hair is super soft. It feels good. It feels clean, very clean. Yes, but I'm still gonna go in with the conditioner. I like it. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to like, share, subscribe, leave comments down below. Let me know what you think. I just want to communicate with you guys. Just talk to me in the comments. I'm always replying to comments. Don't forget to hit that bell to get notification when I post videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.